Whoa, 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 whoa. Before you swipe, put that thumb down or put that phalange down. I'm about to show you how to fill up your zerk fittings on a John Deere 2015 X300. This is super important that you do at least every 50 hours or at least once a year. Let's get started. All right, there are 6 on this model. The first one is right where that arm is, right there. You see the grease there already. All you would do is clean that grease off. Once it's cleaned off, connect your grease gun, connect it, give it 2 pumps, and you'll feel it once it's full, or you'll have excess coming out. Then clean it off. That's your first one. Your second one is under this cover, right there. There it is. Your third one is on the front left side, right there. Again, clean them off and then shoot them with grease. The fourth one is very tricky to find. It's under the cross member, hard to see. Right in front, cross member, right there. All right, let's go to number 5. 5 is in the front wheel on the right-hand side, right there. And number 6 is on the pulley, right there. Boom, do those, and you'll be good to go. Follow me. Task complete. Now, all you have to do is body slam that like button and suplex that subscribe. Stay tuned for more ATV, UTV, lawnmower tips. Also, vehicles like SUVs, cars, and trucks. We have all kinds of tips here at Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions. Boom!